busy day around here. A lot of stuff going on. I had to go into the city today and handle some business there. But the guys, they stay busy while I was gone. Let me show you what's happening here. These guys, before they leave, check out this little ride right here, boy. Check this out. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello again. How are you? This is a cool little ride right here. How you say that? RUSI? RUSI? Yeah. RUSI Chariot. I'm seeing more and more of these on the road. It's a small shaft drive engine. What cc is this, sir?
175.
175?
175.
Yeah, 175. So this shifter here, is this does it have a reverse right there?
Reverse.
Yeah, so that's what that one is. Then that's your emergency brake right there. And check that out, boy. Yeah. You got road pegs, got everything, boy.
Filipino symbol.
Filipino symbol. I mean, that is, it's kind of like having a trike in the U.S. Boy, check that out, man. Check that out. Shoot, I'd use one of these. Oh, and it's got a high and low. It's got a high and low range on here, huh? Is that in the axle? Is that a 2-speed axle? Must be. I see there's a gearbox on the front of it. I believe it is. I believe that's a 2-speed axle on it also. Yep. Right?
Chariot.
So it's kick and electric start, Bo.
No need kick.
No need to kick. Just kick the dog. All right, man. It looks good. Get your motor running. Head out on the highway. Looking for adventure. That's what they delivered my hollow block in today. I just bought some hollow block, and I know you're saying, wait, James, you cuss that hollow block so bad. But I'm using it as a form. I'm using it as a form. I'll show you why. There's the queen of this castle right here. Oh, you're gonna give your queen wave? So, as you see, as I said today when I was gone, the guys have been busy. I mapped this out with them this morning, got out here and worked before I left to go to the city. Got me off to a late start, but that was okay. I wanted, when we come in the front gate right here, we got a nice landscaping area. Now, eventually this old well right here, I'm gonna decorate it up. Probably tile it up with some kind of real pretty decorative tile. And right coming in these front steps, this front gate, this driveway, everything, I don't want just all cement, so I wanted some landscaping here. And I told them, you know what, instead of building a form, just use the hollow block and make you a border so we can pour the cement, and then they're going to come back and they're going to make it like a curb, kind of like a street curb, but not as broad of a curve there on it. I've got them doing the same thing. I mapped this out for them earlier. I wanted a arched sidewalk going around behind the house off the front, and where Mock's sitting right there, that is going to be another landscaping area right in the front of the house. And I wanted the sidewalks to all have a curve to them everywhere. So it's got a real broad entry, and there'll be a column right here going up to the porch above. So it gives you a nice curve. Look here, Mel's fixing to walk it now. She's walking the future sidewalk. Is that the walk? Is that how you do the walk? You're wearing my slippers again. Hey, I thought you were gonna buy you a pair, because it's easier to find the slippers here for the little feet than it is for the big feet. So you break my big feet slippers, I can't go wear your little feet slippers. Yes, that's right. I am scolding her right here, live and in public on this channel. I am scolding her. Go get your own slippers and get mine off your feet.
Soon, okay?
Soon, when soon?
When it's possible.
Yeah, except it's mission impossible. I know how it is. So we're pouring a sidewalk on around to the left side of the house here right now. And if you're wondering why we're doing this already, like, man, you don't even have the house built and you're pouring sidewalks. It's because we're gonna be pouring concrete all above up here soon. And we want as solid of a surface that we can support the bamboo that we're going to use to hold that structure up and hold all the forms up when we pour the concrete. We want it as solid of a structure to go against down the ground as we can. All this soil right here is disturbed soil. It's new put in here. And man, you put that load on it, it's just going to compress into the ground. Your concrete's going to sag and we're going to have an ugly mess. So I said, you know what? Let's pour all of the ground level concrete. And then when we get ready to start forming above, we've got a nice, strong, solid surface after that cures to go against. So the sooner we get it in, the sooner it can be curing. And while we're forming everything above, by the time we're formed and ready to pour, this should already be cured enough to have a strength. I started laying out and kind of mapping out my pieces for the plumbing in this little small room right here. This is going to have a real small little bathroom in there. The bathroom is going to be kind of like our bathroom back in the US that I built on the back of the house there, that whole little tile room, to where the whole room's a wet room. The toilet area, the sink area is all the shower area as well. So back here where Uncle's working, setting up some little stirrup and pieces for the sidewalk there. I had the guys earlier take a bunch of my plumbing stuff and organize it and hang it back here like I have my own little hardware store. That way it's real easy for me to go through and see what I have and what I need. What's up, Lollipop King? Lollipop King, can you tell everybody hello? Say hello.
Say hello, David.
Can you say hello? Is that hello? They're cute kids, but their father, though, he's really an abnormal person.
No, that's not true.
It's not true?
Yes.
Oh,
I'm cute also.
Oh, you're the father?
Yes.
That's not what she told me. Scandal. We were short a few of the white tiles today. Luckily, I was able to get them. That they still had the same brand in stock and the exact same style. So I got those and got back here with them. Joel's got right back to it up here, preparing and putting that, getting the next level of them up. We're almost done in here. He probably had already been done, but I sidetrack him always because he's my go-to guy. So I'm always, Joel, come here. Joel, come here. What is it now? He's like, in his brain, he's probably going, shh. Now what does he want? Yeah, I like this. I'd rather have this than a little truck. They came back with another load here. I told them I'm gonna get one more look at it while they're here. What size is that? 12-inch wheels. 2-speed rear end, yeah. Leaf springs. It's got fold down sides. Up, you hear still on the motorcycle? So there's just a toolbox right here?
Yeah.
Just for tools and extra things?
Toolbox.
Paul, is it okay if I sit on here? Can I sit down on it?
Yeah, okay. No problem.
Oh, that's not bad at all. Well, that's a lot more solid than I thought it was.
Wanna try?
I might fall in love with it. I might just keep going. Next time. Thank you though, Paul.
Okay.
So you had this made, this part, the cover,
Yeah.
you had it made, and then the tarpaulin you also had made
Together.
together. You bought it with
Yeah. Complete.
complete, all in. Got a rectangle tube frame, spare tire under the back also.
Yeah. No reserve.
It's pretty cool. I like it. Time to see how the boat's going here. Do the boat update. So you're epoxying it on now, huh? Yeah, you already got the epoxy on it. It's looking good.
Looking good. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Looking good, Foxy. It's sticky in my hand.
And those nails, those are like a bronze or a copper nail.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to use those.
Very expensive.
I bought a lot of them up at Seahorse.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Got this side already on. Looking good.
The price is very.
Yeah, they're expensive. Yeah.
Looks good.
That's why I'd always scold these boys. They just leave them laying everywhere. Ah, those cost a lot of money. See you tomorrow. It's the end of the day here at Las Conchas del Mar. It's cloudy and looks like it might be a rainy night. The brothers just told me that the wind's about to change directions here in a little bit, and I think a little bit of pressure area is about to pass through. So if it rains, that's fine, because before you know it, dry season will be up on us and we will be begging for some of that rain. So I will not complain about it whatsoever. It has been a very, very happy day for me here at our project. See you later, man. The work crew's gone home, but these guys down here are still working because they've got wet epoxy and they want to get it all worked in place before they head out of here for the evening. That epoxy, once it sets, that's it. These guys are working on the boat here. It's called Pacquiao here in the Philippines. Instead of paying them a daily rate, it's an all-in price. It's what they're charging to fix all of it, however long it takes them. So that's the deal with them. So of course they're not punching the time like the other guys here. They can come and go as they please. And it's looking good. Man, I'm really glad to see this boat come back together. Looks like they're preparing in case there's a little rain too, and making a little watershed to try to keep some of it from pouring right down on their new unprotected wood. Is that right?
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah.
Take from the rain.
Yeah, it looks like it's coming. Anyway, we went to PLDT today. We tried to. And we were going to check in on getting fiber optics. Well, when we pulled up near the building, just coming down the street, and we got it in eyesight, we saw that the parking lot's full of all these little red canopy tents, one after another. And it's just rows and rows of chairs, and there's security there. There's security there, but there's also military there as well, assisting. And there's just so many people underneath these, spread out, doing the social distancing, waiting their turn to go inside the building and talk to somebody. And I saw that and I said, oh my God, Melinda, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I will not do it. It's just too much. We would have, first of all, now there's no parking anywhere on that street. It is a very, very busy place. That parking lot is already overcrowded every time we've been there in the past. And for now, it to not even be a parking lot anymore, it to be an outside queue-up center for waiting your turn to go inside. But here's the thing. Here's the thing I don't get. The chairs weren't spread out no 4, 5, 6 foot apart or nothing. It was jam-packed people underneath there. I mean, wall-to-wall people. So how is that helping you? How is it helping you social distance? You've just changed being up close with each other inside to up close with each other outside. And taken away your parking lot and made it more mayhem. So I don't know. I disagree. I just disagree with the method. I got really flustered, and I said, you know what? I'll keep battling the internet issues we're having rather than go up there and deal with that. I just want to stay right here at home. I do. If I can avoid leaving, they don't have to quarantine me. I'm self-quarantined then. I'm not technically in quarantine. Our quarantine's been over. But I want to be quarantined from the mayhem, from the stress. Right here at this place where we're building, with this happy crew of guys and family that I'm with, it's all I need. I'm happy right here. And with that, I'm going to close out this video. I hope all of you have a very, very wonderful day. Love your family. Love your children. Always give them a hug. God bless.